Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see one past paper question based on vectors for year 10 and year 11 students. If you want me to make the video on any other topic, do let me know in the comment section. If you have not watched my previous video, please refer to the card on the top right of this video. Let's get started. Vectors. We are solving one past paper question number 24. This is our diagram. O is the origin and OPQR is a parallelogram. This is the origin and OPQR is a parallelogram. M is the midpoint of PQ. This is the midpoint of PQ. This shows you that this is the ratio of 1:1. N divides QR. N divides QR in the ratio of 2:1. So this will be 2 and this will be 1. OP is equal to vector A. OR is vector B. Find MN. I need to find out this MN vector. Give your answer in terms of A and or B and in its simplest form. I need to write down MN. MN will be written as MQ plus QN. Let's write down here. MN vector is written as MQ vector plus QN vector. MQ vector is half of the vector B. That will be half of PQ vector plus QN vector is 2/3 of QR vector. I am writing for QN vector, so I am going in this direction, so it will be written as QR vector. Let's write down the value here. Half PQ is same as OR vector plus 2/3. QR vector is same as PO vector. Let's write down here PO vector. This will be equal to half. OR vector is half of vector B plus 2/3 of PO vector is minus A. So my answer is vector B over 2 minus of 2/3A. That will be my answer. Let's see the second part here. The lines MN and OR are extended to meet at S. MN and OR, they are extended to meet at S. Find the position vector of S. I need to find out OS. Give your answer in terms of A and B or in its simplest form. I need to find out the vector OS. The vector OS is written as OR vector plus RS vector. OR vector is vector B. So this will be vector B plus RS vector. I need to express RS vector in terms of OR vector. For that, I need to prove the similarity between this triangle and this triangle. As you can see that QN and N are in the ratio of 2:1. So this ratio MN and NS should be in the ratio of 2:1. And MQ and RS should be in the ratio of 2:1. Let's write down here this ratio should be in the form of 2:1 and this ratio also should be in the form of 2:1. If this ratio is 2, that means MN is the half of PQ. This ratio is also 2. Let's write down here. This one is also 2. This shows you that PQ has been divided into 4 parts. Similar way, OR is also divided into 4 parts. Let's write down here. This will be half, this will be half and this will be half. I have divided OR into 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is my 5th part. If I have to write down the vector RS, I will write down the vector RS 1/5 of OS vector. Let's write down the vector here. This will be written as vector B plus 1/5 of OS vector. Left hand side and right hand side both is OS. I will combine OS. OS minus 1/5 of OS, that will be equal to vector B. This shows you that 5 OS minus of OS divided by 5 is equal to vector B. This will be given as 5 minus 1 is 4 OS over 5 is equal to vector B. I need to calculate OS vector, which will be written as, do the cross multiplication here. That will be written as 5B/4. That will be my answer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye bye everyone.